Now PIQ form, that is the personal information questionnaire, is extremely important. All the details that you fill in the PIQ form, it gives a hazy picture of your personality to the interviewing officer even before you have entered the interviewing room. Now PPDT, by the very name itself, is picture perception and its description test. What you perceive of the picture which I have shown to you. So personal interview is, please understand first that it's a interaction between two people. There are no distractions.
नमस्कार एंड जय हिंद टू ऑल द डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। मैं वैभव सिंह आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं इस टॉक शो में, जहां पे हम लोग एसएसबी के बारे में थोड़ा सा और इंसाइट लेंगे। आज हमारे साथ हैं ब्रिगेडियर आरपी सर, हु इज़ अ ट्रेंड इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर फ्रॉम एसएसबी बोर्ड इलाहाबाद, एंड उनसे हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में आपकी परफॉर्मेंस क्या होनी चाहिए और किस तरीके से आपको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए। तो वेलकम सर।
Thank you so much.
सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ शुड वन प्रिपेयर फॉर पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज?
Okay, so personal interview is, please understand first that it's a interaction between two people. There are no distractions. That is the interaction between the interviewing officer and the candidate. And this interaction is quite intimate in the sense, in about 40 to 45 minutes of the interview, the interviewing officer is going to get to know about all the facets of your life, be it your education, about your friends, about your family, about your neighborhood also, and your hobbies, your interests, your routine. All these things he is going to ask you, and you will be answering based on the CIQs. So the issue is, first of all, carry out a self introspection. All candidates, the starting point is self introspection about your own life. Carry out analysis of all the things that you have done in your life. You should be clear about all what you have achieved and what you have done. Because during the interview, if you at some stage there is certain aspects of your life, if you say that I don't know, then it is not held in high esteem as far as the interview is concerned. So please first carry out your own analysis. Secondly, the interview, when you go for the interview, you should be well prepared in the sense that all the aspects what I have already mentioned, besides that, your overall demeanor, your cheerfulness, your preparation for the interview will also matter. So it is better that you have a good confidence within yourself, that you are prepared. Internally you should be confident about your preparation. Right. And all confidence comes from one aspect, knowledge.
Right.
Knowledge about yourself, knowledge about your surroundings, general awareness. These are the kind of things that you should be aware of.
Right.
So if you have to have an open mind.
Right.
Okay. So that is the way you prepare for your interview.
All right. So second question in the same direction. What is the weightage giving to personal interview in the SSB procedure?
Okay. Let's not confuse the candidates with the weightage part, but I will tell you, there are three assessors in SSB, that is the interviewing officer, the GTO and the psychologist. All have equal weightage. So let people not think that there are certain aspects where they can take a shortcut and focus on something else. They have to focus on all. Every assessor has got equal weightage.
So the next question is that how much importance is there in the SSB of the PIQ forms?
Okay. Now PIQ form, that is the personal information questionnaire, is extremely important.
Right.
Okay. All the details that you fill in the PIQ form, it gives a hazy picture of your personality to the interviewing officer even before you have entered the interviewing room. Okay.
Right.
So please ensure that whatever is written in the PIQ form, that you write in the PIQ form, is correct, factually correct,
Yes, sir.
and truthful. Please do not try to pad up your PIQ form to impress the interviewing officer, because at some stage during the interview you will be caught if you have filled up certain details that actually you have not been doing. So please ensure that you fill your PIQ form, and also ensure that you fill out the PIQ form correctly. There are instructions given in the PIQ form how to fill it up.
Yes.
Okay. So please do that, and don't have too much of overwriting corrections in that.
Yes.
because that depicts a confused mind.
Right. So apart from this, personal interview is the later stage. Once you clear the PPDT, then you go to the interview stage.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of confusions in students' mind regarding the PPDT and how should they perform in the PPDT.
Okay.
Yes.
So the PPDT is one part of your stage 1.
Right.
First is OIR, Officer's Intelligence Rating, followed by the PPDT. Now PPDT, by the very name itself, is picture perception and its description test. What you perceive of the picture which is shown to you, and the picture which is shown to you is in all probability going to be a bit hazy, so that you have to try and understand what is there in the picture and then build up a story based on what you have seen in the picture. Now picture, what you are seeing is the present. You have to give what led to this situation in the picture and how does it finally culminate in a positive manner. So PPDT is actually a test of 3 of your abilities. First is your perception. Are you able to judge the picture properly? Second is your, I say, presentation, or when you give out the story in the group, there your confidence and your communication skills will be seen. And then is your discussion during the group stage, your participation.
Right.
Are you able to convince the group about your story? Or if you find that your own story was slightly weak and somebody else is better, do you support him? That is the cooperation part of the OLQ which is seen. So please ensure PPDT. Okay, let me also say that any test and every test, the day you step into the SSB and the time that you leave the SSB, every test is important.
Right.
So there is nothing which is to be taken lightly or something which is to be taken more importantly.
Right.
Okay, every test is important.
So, and when generally students start preparing for SSB, they have this one thing in mind that they have to develop OLQs, officer-like qualities.
Okay.
And that is the question. That is the next question. That how should students develop OLQs in themselves?
Okay, OLQs. People should first go through what are OLQs. There are 15 of them.
Right.
Okay, and all 3 assessors are checking the candidate for those 15 OLQs only. Everybody, the GTO, the psychologist, or the interviewing officer, they are assessing a candidate against those 15 OLQs only, but they are in their own different ways.
Yes.
Right? Now the OLQs, there are 2 kind of OLQs. There are certain OLQs which are intrinsic to your nature. It has already developed within you because of your upbringing, of the environment that you have stayed, the school that you have gone to, the people that you have interacted with. There are certain OLQs which are already imbibed within you, and those unfortunately cannot be changed. Okay, but there are certain OLQs which are trainable. Now those trainability OLQs, I would say, like stamina, that can be developed.
Yes, definitely.
But sense of responsibility, if you are 17, 18 years old, that sense of responsibility, if you don't have at the age of 17 or 18, it is unlikely that those kind of OLQs can be developed within you at a later stage. Because sense of responsibility also includes discipline, which actually means doing the right thing
At the right time.
without supervision.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So these OLQs, there are certain trainability, their physical fitness.
These
Okay,
can be trained. Yes.
that is stamina.
Yes, sir.
You can develop that.
Yes.
Liveliness, being cheerful even under difficult situations, you can develop that. Okay.
Exactly.
But social adaptability, it is already there within you because of the environment that you have grown up in. Or effective intelligence. Now intelligence is something which is already there within you, intrinsic. Effective intelligence and basic intelligence are different. Basic intelligence is based on your, you have those tests for basic. Effective intelligence is something which is already inbuilt within you.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, study those OLQs.
Yes.
What does it mean? And it is available on the Google, internet,
Yes.
anywhere.
Great.
Please see that what are the factors which are included in those OLQs. So those trainable 1A, try and build up on that. Be physically more fit. There are candidates who come who are देखते साथ लगता है कि he is overweight. So that means there are two OLQs. If I see somebody who is overweight, I will say he is not determined enough to clear the SSB. Secondly, he is not taking initiative to come within the acceptable parameters for the SSB.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So please first understand the OLQs.
Yes.
And if you have understood the OLQs, only then you will be able to inculcate or improve upon whatever already is there existing within you.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So can we say that first of all one should study the OLQs properly?
Yes.
हर एक चीज़ का मतलब आप 15 OLQs में से हर एक चीज़ को इंडिविजुअली रिसर्च करो कि आपको क्या समझ में मतलब समझने की कोशिश करो.
Yeah.
देयर आफ्टर ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि कौन से ट्रेनेबल OLQs कौन कौन से होने वाले हैं एंड उन पे काम करें आप. राइट सर.
Okay.
So a lot of things we got to know today from Brigadier sir and मैं उसका क्रक्स आपको बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ. सबसे पहले लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द PIQ फॉर्म. सर ने बताया कि बहुत ट्रुथफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको PIQ में लिखना चाहिए, है ना. ऑल्सो इट शुड बी क्लीन, इट शुड बी वेरी क्लीन. आपको ओवरराइट नहीं करना चाहिए, जैसे कि सर ने जैसा बताया कि कन्फ्यूजन ये डिपिक्ट करता है आपके PIQ फॉर्म में. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, मूविंग ऑन टू PPDT में सर ने बोला कि देयर आर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स टू PPDT. द फर्स्ट वन इज परसेप्शन and then you have description and then you have cooperation part. perceive आपको पिक्चर को अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा कि अभी क्या हो रहा है, पास्ट में क्या हुआ होगा एंड फ्यूचर में क्या प्रोबेबल आउटकम होगा. इस मैनर में आपको परसीव करना है. देयर आफ्टर यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब द पिक्चर वेरी एफिशिएंटली and after that you have to cooperate with the group so as to come to a conclusion. That's about PPDT. And as far as interview is concerned, sir ने हमें बहुत clearly बताया.
I will emphasize on one factor.
Right.
Communication skills are extremely important.
Right.
Let it be PPDT, let it be interview, even for the GTO where you have to give a lecturate for 3 minutes.
Yes.
Your communication skills, you may have ideas,
Yes.
okay?
Sir,
But
and
if
they
you
are
are not able
trainable.
to communicate,
Yes, sir.
so then it becomes a problem.
And yes, sir, power of expression is trainable.
Yeah, there's a POE.
Yes.
Is yeah.
Trainable. It's trainable, right, sir? They can.
Power of expression, yes.
Yes.
This is a factor which is trainable.
Yes, sir.
And you have to put in effort.
Yes.
Individual has to put in effort. He should not be waiting that somebody should come and tell him कि improve upon this.
Right.
Everybody knows within his heart whether he is able to communicate properly or not. Okay?
Exactly.
Yeah.
तो as far as personal interview is concerned, सर ने बताया आपको कि आपको किस तरीके से पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, GTO, साइक का इंपॉर्टेंस इक्वल है. और सर ने एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात कही कि आप किसी भी टास्क को ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस और किसी टास्क को कम इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दे सकते इंटरव्यू में, पूरे SSB में फॉर दैट मैटर. एंड येस, इन सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए आपको. वाइल यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इंटरव्यू, यू शुड इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. आपको अपने बारे में जानना चाहिए. यू शुड डाइव डीप विद इन एंड नो अबाउट योर सेल्फ. एंड सर ने एक बात पे बहुत काफ़ी एम्फेसिस दिया था कि आप हर चीज़, आपका पूरा परफॉर्मेंस इस चीज़ पे बेस्ड है कि आपकी नॉलेज कितनी है. आपकी नॉलेज अबाउट द सराउंडिंग्स, आपकी नॉलेज अपने बारे में, आपकी नॉलेज आपके फ्रेंड्स के बारे में, जैसे कि सर ने क्लियरली मेंशन किया. तो इन सब चीज़ों पे अगर आप काम करते हैं तो यू विल बी मच बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द SSB एंड प्रॉब्ली यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म मच एफिशिएंटली. सो दैट्स इट फॉर द डे. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू फॉर
Most welcome. Thank you.
गाइडिंग अस इन दिस डायरेक्शन.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू. जय हिंद.